Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving number of set. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving number of set bits. In this problem we are given an input like 11 and we have to find the output, the number of 1 bits. So let's take an example. So the input binary string is 1011 and it has 3 number of 1 bits. As you can see 1, 2 and 3. So the steps will be, let's start with the brute force approach, in which steps will be check last bit using n and 1. If it is 1, we increase the count, otherwise we will do right shift of n, and we repeat this process until n becomes 0. So now let's write this code. We take int count equal to 0 while n is greater than 0. If n and then we will count plus plus, otherwise we will do the right shift of n, and in the last we simply return the count. As you can see, we have compiled this program, and the better approach will be the optimized one, and instead of checking every bit, we directly remove the last set bit. The trick will be n equal to n and n minus 1. This removes the rightmost one in each step. Let's take an example. If n equal to 11, the binary will be 1011. So in step 1, we will do the right shift, that will be 1010. So according to the formula, n equal to n and n minus 1. In step 1, 1011 becomes 1010. In step 2, 1010 becomes 1000. And in step 3, 100 becomes 10000. So the total steps will be 3 and number of bit will be 3. So let's write this code. So we will take the int count equal to 0 and we will comment this code for now, and we will simply do while n is not equal to 0, n equal to n and n minus 1, and we will simply do the count plus plus. As you can see, we have successfully compiled this program. The brute force approach has time complexity bigger of 1, and the optimized version has time complexity of bigger of number of set bits. In this, each operation removes 1, so loop runs only as many times as there are set bits. If you found this helpful, you are already improving your bit manipulation skills. Subscribe for more Blend 75 problems, and remember, take a small step every day.